my loves, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nini, and I am going to be constructing this beautiful Italian curly unit using hair from my collection. You guys do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Let's get into it. So I start off with 2 scoops of BW2 bleach and a 30 volume developer. And we're going to stir that all up, gradually adding in your developer until you receive a pancake batter type consistency, kind of. And then I go in with Blue Indigo by Adore. The reason why I do this method is because it bleaches and tones the knots at the same time. So you're getting 2 jobs done at once. Now I'm going to lightly add that mixture to the lace. I press it in just a little bit, but you don't want to press it in too much because you don't want to bleach the hair. And I let that process for about 19 minutes. So now we have our dome cap. We're going to need to resize this because our client's head is 20 inches in circumference. And 13 by 5 inches front to nape are her exact head measurements. So once I've measured it all out properly, I pull the wig cap forward because this is how we are going to get rid of that excess cap. I don't really go into too much detail here. If you guys would like to see a video on how to properly size a cap for a custom wig, like this video and comment below. So yeah, once we have all of that lined up, we're going to stitch down that wig cap. Now we're going to just line up our closure. This is a 6x6. I absolutely love it. We're going to braid it down so we can get our guidelines together. So that's what I'm doing here. So for this wig, I am single wefting, so the lines are about a ½ inch apart. This is what it looks like. So these are the guidelines we're going to be following. Please like for part 2. Bye.